Unlike other air fryers on this list which have the same look, which leads us to speculations that they are made from the same factory, the ActiFry looks to be designed from the ground up. This air fryer solves one main issue that plagues all air fryers: flipping the food over. Most air fryers require the user to take out the basket midway through the cooking and then flip the food over. How does the Fal ActiFry solve this? Simple. They use a paddle. The strikingly rectangular and oval shape unit houses the paddle that sits in the middle of the pan and slowly rotates to turn the food over. We love the super simplistic design. We know that air frying doesn't require too much temperature monitoring, and that's apparent that the Fal have implemented this knowledge in the design. There is only an on-off button and a timer control that displays a digital countdown which can be set up to 99 minutes. There's no temperature dial with this unit, heating up to 338 degrees Fahrenheit and staying there. The intuitive design almost hits a home run but falls short on the timer implementation. Once the timer expires, there is no auto shutoff, with only a buzzer sounding. It means the unit will continue cooking your food until you manually turn it off. Whilst this job is made easier due to the steam-free viewing window, it's still a relatively annoying thing that you need to be around when cooking is nearing completion. In regards to cleaning, it's a straightforward and accessible process, with the pan, lid, and paddle all being detachable and dishwasher friendly. You can also purchase a mesh basket to help cook more delicate items, but this will make the cleaning job slightly harder. The 2.9-liter capacity means that the 2.2 pounds of food can be cooked at any one time, which means you can produce more than 2 servings in one sitting.